Hey guys, it's hot out here, but I got me and Dad. We're working on the old windshield. We done put in all the clips. You know where that spot? We got all our clips in, and we're getting ready to put the gasket in there, and then fight the windshield in. So we'll keep you updated. Okay, well, after we got all those clips in that you saw, me and my dad fought with this window gasket for over an hour. We tried putting the gasket on the window and then fighting and then pulling it in around that. That didn't work. Don't try that. Or, I don't know, try it. This isn't really a tutorial on this. This is just showing that I got a windshield in. Well, and every time we were going to put the gasket in the hole like you're supposed to, but the top would fall out. So along comes, after about 3 or 4 hours, along comes our savior, Dennis from Twisted Mopar Garage. He's a really big shout out to him. He's helping me out a lot with this car. He knows a lot about race cars and stuff, and he's a good body man. And he says he's not good at windshields, but obviously he did most of the damn work today, so he does know a lot about windshields too. Well, he brought us some windshield sealer and adhesive, and we stuck that gasket. We were able to stick that. Ooh, thunder! We were able to stick that gasket up in there, and once that gasket was stuck up in there, then we were able to set the windshield in and then start working the edges over. And the biggest problem with these is the corners. On the straight edges, man, it's no problem. If there were no corners on a windshield, yeah, everybody could do it. You could just drop them in. But the problem is with the corners, and it took a little bit of finagling to get it in. And then after that, you've got to kind of fight I call it a rope seal. What it is it's just like not even a tube. It's just like almost like a rubber rope that goes in around the top and the sides, and then the bottom has a piece that just folds in to lock it in. I guess they call it a lock seal. I don't know. I don't know the technical terms. You guys know me. I don't know technical shit. But we got all that in, and it actually went pretty well once we glued that. You have to glue that gasket in. And I don't know. I guess there's a few channels. I saw a couple channels that glued the gasket in. And then I saw a couple where it looked like they didn't. Maybe they just left that out. I don't know. But hey, so yeah, I'm gonna play a little bit of music here. We'll watch some speedy footage, and you can see us put a windshield in. It's nothing, this isn't a tutorial. I'm not a tutorial guy, so enjoy. And there it is, folks. The Knuckleduster finally has a windshield. I've been waiting a long time for this. It's actually really got me motivated into doing the car again. It's weird how just little things get you motivated to keep working on it. So, yeah, I hope you liked the video. I'm trying something new, so let me know how you feel about it. And you know what I always say, like, share, subscribe. If not, I don't give a